Shoulder sideways, smack it in the air. Legs move it side to side, smack it in the air. Legs move it side to side, smack it in the air.
What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, then welcome. My name is Mariah Shantice, and this is my. If you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Don't forget to give my video a like, comment, and subscribe.
Okay, so as usual, we're going in with a concealer to prime the eyelids, and then I'm going to use my Jaclyn Hill palette and set that with a white eyeshadow, and then I'm going in with the black, putting that right into the crease and blending that out with a burnt orange color. Now I'm just taking a even more burnt orange color and putting that right on top of the other lighter color, and then taking this turquoise color and putting this right on the outer corners of my eyes and dragging it into my crease as well. You really want to build it up on the outer corner so that the pigment really shows up. Now I'm taking my Tarte Tape and Shape concealer and just cutting my crease. I'm going to do a half cut crease and kind of drag the concealer to the outer corners to cause like an ombre effect. Here I'm just taking that same turquoise color and building it back up on the areas where it may have kind of lightened up because of the concealer. Now I'm just taking this yellow color from the same palette and packing that onto the middle, and I'm going to take this icy blue color and put that right on the inner corners of my eye. I really love that color. It's super pretty.
Trying to put them in the worst mood. P1 cleaner than the church shoes. Really point to just to hurt them. All red lamps to tease them. None of these toys on lease to. Made the whole year in a week to. Main chick out of their league to.
We just added some mascara, and now I'm moisturizing and priming my face and just going to put my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the areas where I want to cover up and just have an even skin tone. I started using this beauty blender from Revlon, and it sucks really bad, so that's why I switched to the brush. Now we're going to pop on some eyelashes, and I'm going to use this little dryer that I got off of Amazon. It comes in handy if you wear lashes, so I really recommend it. Now I'm using my It's My Ray Ray palette to warm up my face and to contour. I'm also going to use this same palette to contour my nose. And remember to take your contour all the way up into your eyebrows. I said that in the last video, but yes, that's very important. Now for the best parts, we're going to highlight the very tip of your nose, the bridge of your nose, and those, you know, places where the sun will naturally hit your face and make it glow. And if you want to really go out with the highlighter like I always do, then you can go over it with multiple different highlighters. This one I'm using out of the It's My Ray Ray palette, she has some really, really good highlighters. Okay, so while I was doing my makeup, I kept seeing this vision of like, I don't know, this weird eyeliner thingy. So I just decided to give it a go, and I think it turned out really good. Leave a comment below if you like it or if you think like, girl, you tripping. Now we're just adding some of the same eyeshadow colors to our lower lash line, just so you know, give an extra little pop.
Look what you've done. You're a pretty little star boy.
Okay, so this is how the look turned out. I think it looks super duper cute. If you guys like it, then go ahead and leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and turn on my post notifications so you never miss a video. And I'll see you guys next time. Mwah.